Welcome to our channel. In today's review, we're diving into the top 3 best portable washing machines of 2024. In this video, we'll explore cutting-edge models designed to combine efficiency with convenience, perfect for modern living spaces and on-the-go lifestyles. Each machine we cover today boasts unique features, from energy-saving technologies to compact designs that maximize performance without compromising space. Stay tuned as we delve into their functionalities, pros and cons, providing you with a comprehensive guide to making the best choice for your needs. Don't miss out on our expert tips and a special bonus segment at the end. Your ultimate guide to portable laundry solutions awaits. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 3. The Super Deal Small Portable Washing Machine. If you're living in a dorm, an apartment, or love camping, this compact twin tub washer might just be your new best friend. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about size and capacity. The Super Deal washing machine is incredibly compact, with overall dimensions of 22.7 inches by 22.1 inches by 14.6 inches. Don't let its small size fool you though. It boasts a 5.5 lb wash capacity and a 4.4 lb spin capacity, perfect for small loads like baby clothes, socks, or a few t-shirts. One of the standout features of this washer is its dual functionality. It's a 2-in-1 machine, meaning you can wash and spin clothes simultaneously. The washer timer runs for up to 15 minutes, while the spin cycle timer maxes out at 5 minutes. This not only saves time but also adds convenience to your laundry routine. Next, let's highlight its efficient rinsing capabilities. The True Rinse technology ensures your clothes come out sparkling clean without wasting water. With 2 deep rinses on every cycle, this washer makes sure your clothes are thoroughly rinsed and free from detergent residue. Plus, it allows you to prepare the next load while spinning the current one. The machine's design is both user-friendly and versatile. It comes with separate timers for the washer and spinner, making it easy to customize your laundry cycle. Whether you prefer using traditional soap bar shavings or modern detergent pods, this washer accommodates any laundry additive you choose. Finally, let's discuss portability and durability. Built with high-density plastic and an upgraded motor, this washer is made to last. It's lightweight, easy to transport, and fits perfectly in tight spaces, making it ideal for small living areas or on-the-go use such as in an RV or during camping trips. In conclusion, there you have it. An in-depth look at the Super Deal Small Portable Washing Machine. If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and user-friendly solution for your laundry needs, this little machine could be exactly what you need. Number 2. The Laundry Alternative PuriFI Portable Small Washer, a compact yet powerful solution designed for those who need efficient laundry care in small spaces. Whether you're in an apartment, RV, or just need a secondary washer, this little machine promises to deliver big results. So let's get started. Fastly, innovative cloth diaper washing. One of the standout features of the PuriFI is its unique ability to wash cloth diapers effectively. This is the only portable washer on the market that can handle this task without needing any pre-treatment. Thanks to its intensive hot water technology, the PuriFI ensures a thorough clean, making it a game-changer for parents using cloth diapers. Next, compact but capable. Don't let its small size fool you. The PuriFI packs a punch with a 7.0 pounds wash capacity, perfect for small households or mobile living. It's designed to fit seamlessly into tight spaces like apartments or RVs, providing a full laundry experience without the bulk of traditional machines. Plus, its 800 RPM spin cycle ensures clothes come out cleaner and drier. Setting up the PuriFI is a breeze. It hooks up easily to a standard kitchen or bathroom faucet, making it incredibly convenient. Despite its powerful cleaning abilities, it operates at just 34 decibels, which is 2x quieter than most portable washers. So you can do your laundry without disturbing the peace of your home. The PuriFI comes equipped with an internal heater that can warm water up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature is particularly effective for deep cleaning and sanitizing your clothes. The machine's drum and impeller, crafted from high-quality stainless steel, are built to endure these high temperatures, ensuring long-lasting durability. With 10 different washing cycles, the PuriFI is more versatile than you might expect. From heavy-duty loads to gentle wool items, this washer handles it all. The dual deep rinses and spray rinses ensure that every load is thoroughly cleaned and rinsed, leaving you with fresh, spotless laundry every time. In conclusion, the laundry alternative PuriFI portable washer is a versatile and efficient solution for anyone with limited space. Its unique features, quiet operation, and powerful performance make it a fantastic choice for small households or mobile living. If you're in the market for a portable washer, the PuriFI is definitely worth considering. Number 1. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer. If you're looking for a compact, versatile, and efficient laundry solution, this might be the perfect fit for you. Whether you're tight on space or need a backup washer, so let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is sleek and compact, measuring just 17.3 x 17.7 x 31.1. Despite its small size, it's built to last with a rust-resistant stainless steel tub. The top-loading transparent lid adds convenience, letting you watch your laundry get cleaned in real time. Moving on to functionality, this portable washer offers 5 cycle selections: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak. These options make it adaptable to various fabrics, from baby clothes to delicate lingerie. Additionally, it comes with 3 water level settings for small, medium, and large loads, ensuring you use just the right amount of water every time. When it comes to performance, the BLACK+DECKER washer doesn't disappoint. With its powerful impeller system, it efficiently cleans clothes without being overly harsh on them. The auto-unbalance detection ensures the machine operates smoothly, preventing excessive vibrations. Plus, the cold water temperature setting helps save energy while still delivering a thorough clean. One of the standout features is its portability. Weighing just 48.4 pounds, it's easy to move around your home thanks to its 2 rollers and side handles. The adjustable leveling leg adds stability on uneven floors. The included quick connect adapter and hoses make setup a breeze even in tight spaces. Lastly, safety is a top priority with this machine. The auto shutoff feature provides peace of mind, and the child lock protection adds an extra layer of security, making it ideal for families. With these thoughtful additions, BLACK+DECKER has crafted a washer that's not just efficient but also safe and user-friendly. In conclusion, so is the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer worth it? Absolutely. It's a compact, efficient, and versatile solution for anyone needing a portable laundry option. Whether you're in a small apartment, an RV, or just need a backup washer, this little machine packs a punch. By carefully considering your needs and preferences, you buy the perfect portable washing machine for your home. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Smart Shop Savvy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.